Hello and welcome to MX Mega Store. My name is Daniel and today we're going to take a look at the Arctiva Comp 8 RR Shell Snowmobile Bibs. I have him completely dressed, also with the jacket that would accompany this type of pant. But first we're going to take a look at the bibs themselves, and then I'm going to go ahead create another video highlighting the jacket. So we're going to start out talking about the bibs, but I just wanted to put it together so that you would have some type of preview as to what you're going to be looking at today. So give me a few moments. I'll tear this all down and we'll break it down into the bib. All right, so I've disassembled the jacket from the bibs in this Arctiva Comp 8 RR Shell combination that you saw. And right now I'm just going to show you some of the featured parts about the bibs that I think is really important, and I think you're going to really enjoy what kind of product it is. First of all, you'll notice the suspenders. They definitely have some stretch, and you can tighten them up to fit however long your torso is, and that's a very great thing. They're attached really simply with a snap, like that. The front closure at the waist uses 2 buttons, and it has a zipper with a rain fly. Really nice. All the seams are completely waterproof and resistant to all stains. So this is a great textile fabric and it'll hold up. It's very durable. We have side waist adjustments, Velcro, real simple. Take it in, pull it out. Whatever you need to be most comfortable, that's what you can do. Let's see, we have a couple of pockets, actually right here and right here are your pockets. And down in here, these are vents to help keep you aired out, let's say. Your air vents, that's what they are. And now if we take a look at the inside leg, I'm going to show you on his left leg how this works, because this is really nice. It's actually a magnetized seam, and then in there you have the zipper, which is really cool. I'm going to show that to you right now. It does have a snap right at the bottom. And as you can see here, I'm just gently pulling this away. There are actually little magnets here that when you close it, they just click together. So that's really nice. And down at the bottom, we have a zipper that goes all the way up to the crotch area to make it really easy to get these on and off. There's a lot of mesh material in here. It's a very breathable textile, so that's a very good thing. Okay, another really cool feature now that we've opened up the leg area, which again is to really make it easier for you to get in and out of this bib. So as you notice here on the bottom, it's snapped. But you'll also notice that it's kind of like that. So this part goes down into your boot, then this part covers over, so no moisture, no snow can get in that area to really protect you and keep you dry. So now we'll zip this back together. The magnetized flap just goes together, and at the bottom There's a snap. Just like that. Here's a side view of the pant. It's got a pretty nice design there. It's reinforced in areas that are very susceptible to the rugged type of terrain, so that's a really great thing. Once again, here's the adjustable waistline, the actual pocket, the airflow, and the Arctiva logos are all designed to be seen at night. So we like that. We're all into safety here at MX Megastore. So anytime we can present something like that, it's a benefit to us and it's a benefit to you. And down at the bottom, now that we had showed you the inside seam and how that works, you can make an adjustment at the bottom just how tight you want that around your boot. So you have room, if you have really big wide boots or you just want them loosened up a little bit, you can loosen this up, but probably most likely and ideally you'll keep it nice and tight. But I just thought I'd point that out for you. Okay, so this is the back side of the bib. And one thing you'll notice is it comes across as an X, and we noticed in the front that they came straight down. In the back, it forces an X. Once again, here's the nice little logo that'll help illuminate in the evening, dusk hours. These little loops here on the back and on the sides are actually designed for attaching the jacket, so you have a really nice fit to both pieces and they coordinate very well. And I will show you that a little bit later when we go ahead and reintroduce the jacket into another video, and then you can see what happens. This right here is a stretchy material. The seat is actually double ply to keep it very well protected from wetness, and to also give you that movement and that stretch. So right in here, you can see it's kind of got some like elastic area right in here, so that when you're bent over on your snowmobile or ATV, you have some comfort and flexibility there. So we really like that. Okay, so you decide that you don't need to have the whole bib look. Well, that's not a problem with the Arctiva line here, because you can remove the bib part. There are actually belt loops built into the pant. Well, we'll call it a pant because when we remove the bib, it will be a pant. So I've already disassembled the bib from the front connectors, and all you need to do is zip that off, and now you have a pant. So that's a really good rundown of the Arctiva Comp 8 RR Shell Snowmobile Bibs. I have the bib part and the suspenders in my hand because we just removed it, and now we turned it into a pant. But as I said, now we're going to break down into another video, and we're going to show you more about the jacket and how that integrates with this system, although they are sold separately. As you know, orders over $49 ship for free in the lower 48 United States. We invite you to check into our Facebook page, MX Megastore. Please subscribe to the MX Megastore YouTube channel, and please, if you have any questions at all, call us at 877-U-MOTO. So, there we are. That was the Arctiva Comp 8 RR Shell Snowmobile Pants and Bibs. So check it out on our website. Use the link directly under this video. It'll take you directly to the hyperlink page that goes right with this product. So Thank you very much for joining me on this little adventure going through the bibs and the pant. And it's really cool, so I hope you learned something today. I certainly did too. So, see you in a little bit.